What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is going to be my first ever real video on YouTube doing anything tutorial wise. Today I'm going to be working on my I30N and I'm going to be replacing this piece of the dash along with this little piece over here, trying to coat it in suede so it matches my seats. Hopefully it will be easier than I think it's going to be. From what I've seen, it's quite easy to get the piece off. I'm just about to head to a fabric shop local to me to hopefully get the suede material to stick it on. I'll see. Right, got my suede. Hopefully this is going to work perfectly with spray adhesive, which is what I'm going to use. Should look pretty cool. Kind of not really a good idea, but kind of how I want it to be. Should look pretty cool. Let's see how it goes when we get back. So now we're back home. I've got the challenge of getting this piece off, and from what I've read, you go from here. So I'm going to stick you on head cam and get to it. Right, so now it's off the car completely. I've taken all the buttons out, all the screws, 3 screws on the power button, 2 on the center lock button, on the traction control and everything there is 4. Now what I'm going to do is wipe it down with some white spirit, get everything off so it's clean and ready to attach the suede with spray adhesive and go from there. So now what I got myself is this little bit of acrylic just to put this on so the suede's not getting all the manky stuff off the wood. And now I'm going to lay the suede out next to this, cut it to size, and then hopefully start sticking it. So the main front bit is pretty much done now. I've just got some clips on it to hold it while it dries. The corners look right. I've cut this, but I haven't cut this yet. Brought them in just to try and work out how I'm going to do it. I might go and wrap this section in a minute, just to make it look a bit nicer. Yeah, they're in here, ready to go in. Now I'm just going to start this one. It could be a little bit more difficult because it's got this lip along the bottom, but we shall see. So it's on, kind of. I'm relatively happy with it. There's a little bit of an edge that needs a bit more work, but I've surpassed what I'm able to do. But all in all, I think it looks really good. It's fitted real nice around here. It's fitted okay around here. That edge that I was talking about, it's okay as long as you don't like look for it. It's fine. But the rest of it looks pretty good. I'll be interested to get in the car and see how it looks. This bit's still drying over here. I'm going to take that now and get to this stage with that. Fingers crossed. So while I was waiting for this one to dry, which it should almost be dry and ready to start cutting in, sticking that button in, I fitted the big dash panel in the car. You see it's all tucked nicely behind here. This back on, screws back in. Looks alright in here as well. And now it looks pretty good, I would say myself. Nice. There are some little bits that aren't 100% perfect, but it's DIY, done in your back garden. I think it's quite good. a definite success. That's what it looks like now inside the car. It's very good. I like that. I like it a lot. Next is this piece. In a future video, I have a feeling it's going to be very difficult to do this, but we'll give it a go and see what happens. Thank you for watching. If you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next.